Your morning routine is a scam. Yeah, I said it. And deep down, you know it. You've been sold this fantasy that if you just drink lemon water, meditate, and make your bed, your life will magically change. Guess what? That's a lie. I'm not here to sugarcoat this. Your morning routine is keeping you weak. And unless you wake up to the truth, the rest of your life will look exactly the same as it does right now. Let's be real. Half the stuff you do in the morning is fake productivity. Wake up, scroll through your phone. Convince yourself it's catching up on the world. Make coffee, call it a ritual. Read 2 pages of a book, highlight a sentence, and suddenly you're a personal growth addict. But here's the punch in the face. None of that is actually moving the needle in your life. You're tricking yourself into thinking you're improving when all you're doing is killing time before the real day starts. You think your routine is discipline, but it's just comfort with a mask on. Journaling, affirmations, even that slow, mindful breakfast. All fine, but ask yourself, are you doing it to grow or are you doing it because it's easy? Because discipline doesn't feel good. It feels uncomfortable. It feels heavy. And if your morning doesn't challenge you, then it's not discipline. It's just self-soothing dressed up as success. The first 60 minutes of your day decide the next 12 hours. But you keep giving those 60 minutes away. To Instagram, to TikTok, to news, to emails. You start the day reacting. Passive, behind. And then you wonder why you can't focus, why you're exhausted, why your goals stay dreams. Here's the ugliest truth. Winners and losers wake up the same way. Both feel tired. Both want to hit snooze. The difference? Winners do the hard thing anyway. They don't wait for motivation. They build mornings that punch them in the face and force them to rise. Losers build mornings that hug them back to sleep. So what's the fix? Stop designing a morning routine you like. Start designing one that scares you. Instead of journaling for 20 minutes, tackle your hardest task first thing, before your brain even has time to make excuses. Instead of scrolling, sit in silence and plan your attack for the day. Instead of comfort, choose control. Your morning should not feel cozy. It should feel like war. Because that's what life is. A daily fight for your focus, your energy, and your future. You think mornings are about balance. They're not. They're about dominance. You either dominate your morning, or your morning dominates you. There is no middle ground. So tomorrow when you wake up, don't ask, what do I feel like doing? Ask, what would the strongest version of me do right now? And then do it, even if it hurts. Especially if it hurts. Because your comfort is killing you. And your mornings, they're the murder weapon.